Forex traders are fraud victims. I know that this video is going to be a little bit controversial, but I'm here not to help everyone, but to help those people who have good intentions and who want to invest in themselves to further their own education. That way they can improve their lives. And I can tell you that I have never met a profitable Forex trader. And that should be relatively substantial because I graduated from an Ivy League university and I worked on Wall Street and completed billions of dollars worth of transactions. Here's a pitch book when we sold Metals USA to Apollo, which is a private equity firm, and this deal closed for around $880 million. All right. I worked at Morgan Stanley, CIBC World Markets, a few M&A boutiques, and I can tell you that you are welcome to disregard the message that I'm telling you if you want to try to turn $5,000 into $5 million, but I have never met a profitable Forex trader. Now, there are a few caveats to that. Look, the Forex industry, it's ripe with fraud because you have a substantial counterparty risk, meaning that a lot of people, because Forex is relatively unregulated, you can then go and start up a bullshit exchange like the guys like from Mir Barak or some of the other ones, and you will lose all your money. I mean, you've seen this happen with a lot of the BS exchanges with like cryptocurrency and other things where there was a liquidity crunch and people could not take all their money out. And this happens quite frequently with some of the fly-by-night exchanges that are opened up in like the Canary Islands, etc. But I can tell you that you have no statistical advantage in trading Forex, and not only will you not turn $5,000 into $5 million, but you will lose all of your money, especially because there's substantial leverage. And yes, I know that leverage works on both ends, but I can tell you, again, I've never met a profitable Forex trader. And all of these people who claim to make money by using technical analysis and by trading Forex, they are fake gurus. They trade simulators. They do not post legitimate trading statements. They don't show you live screen recordings from inside their account that shows all of their filled transactions. And yeah, I mean, that's about it. If I traded Forex, I would go bankrupt. I mean, look, same thing with day trading. If I day traded, I would lose all my money. If I swing traded, I would lose all my money. There's nothing special about me. It's just that what I teach, my strategy and the discipline that I have developed enables me to be a profitable trader. And if I traded Forex, I would lose money. All right. But I know that a lot of people are not going to listen to me. So I just want to tell you that if you do decide to trade Forex, I highly recommend that you use a legitimate broker. You can use interactive brokers. I mean, also, it should tell you something that a lot of the legitimate brokers like E-Trade, Thinkorswim, Schwab, Fidelity, I don't think that they offer Forex trading. And the reason is that almost everyone who trades Forex loses their money. I do know that Interactive Brokers does permit Forex trading, and Interactive Brokers is a legitimate exchange. So if you want to just dabble in Forex trading and you don't want to take the counterparty risk of not being able to take your money out, then I would highly recommend not trading Forex at all. But if you do decide to disregard my advice, then you can trade with Interactive Brokers. You definitely don't want to open up an account with one of these fly-by-night brokerages, because once you deposit your money into that, there's a high probability that you're not going to get any of your money back. So again, I've never met a profitable currency trader, and all these people who trade and claim that they've been able to turn like $5,000 into $5 million, they're frauds and they're scam artists. The only way that you can be successful and make consistent profits in the stock market is by selling option premium. And that's pretty much it. If you don't like my style, then that's totally cool. You can learn from Tasty Trade. I'm a better trader, in my opinion, than Tasty Trade. I believe that my returns are much better, mostly because they tell you to trade often and they sell premium indiscriminately predicated upon high implied volatility. I don't agree with that. I think that there are A+ opportunities and B opportunities and C opportunities. And even if a C opportunity has high implied volatility, then it doesn't make sense for you to trade that and disregard your perception of that opportunity solely based upon that particular underlying having high implied volatility. But hey, if you want to learn from Tasty Trade, that's totally cool. Selling option premium is the only way that you're going to make consistent money in the stock market. Currency traders, they don't make good students because you guys are looking to make like 300% a year. For selling options, if you want to earn consistent money, you're going to earn around 30 to 60% every single year. So, if you want to be consistently profitable as opposed to being poor, then you need realistic expectations. You need to put the work in, you need to practice your craft, you need to be methodical and fanatical about improving. And if you can do that, then you will learn a legitimate skill that you can monetize and utilize in order to make money in the future. But if you want to day trade or swing trade or trade Forex, then you're going to lose all your money and you're going to waste your time. So again, this is David Jaffe from beststockstrategy.com. You can go to beststockstrategy.com and enter in your email address and receive $400 worth of free training materials. Those free training materials are better than anyone else's paid materials. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I answer everyone's comments, and I'm here to help you, so I appreciate your attention.